Hello challengers, it's Helena from Alpha Korean class. Today we are moving beyond looks to something different, character and personality. Are you ready to learn 25 new Korean adjectives by the end of this video? Let's power up your vocabulary. But first, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our Korean language adventure. Craving natural everyday Korean? Meet Organic Korean. Level up from upper beginner to confident speaker with 50 real-life situations and accompanying audio files. Start speaking like a local today. Grab your Organic Korean at alphakoreanclass.com. Real talk begins now. Let's embark on the journey to discover different personality traits in Korean. If you are asked to describe your best friend or favorite TV character, what would you say? Let's explore. We'll start with 외향적인, which translates to extroverted. If your friend is the life and soul of the party, if they thrive around people and are generally outgoing, then 외향적이다 is the term you will use to describe them. In contrast, there's 내향적인, for those who are introverted. If a quiet night in a sound more appealing to you or someone you know than a loud party, 내향적이다 is the perfect descriptor. Next we have 내성적인, another term for introverted. But it also conveys the idea of being introspective or shy. If your little brother tends to shy away from meeting new people or feels anxious in crowds, you can say 내성적이다. Now, for those who are never at a loss for words, we say 수다스러운, translating to talkative. If your cousin is the type who can keep the conversation going for hours, you can describe them 수다스럽다. For those who radiate assurance, there's 자신감 있는. The term for confident. Picture someone who stepped onto the stage with a total comment. That person is what you will call 자신감 있는. Lastly, for this section, 수줍은. It's a term you'd use to describe someone shy. So if you're more comfortable staying out of the spotlight and blending into the crowd, you could describe yourself as 수줍어하다. Our next step is the field of interpersonal vibes or energies that people express during interactions. Let's decode some of these vibes that contribute to forming first impressions. We kick off this section with 따뜻한, translating as warm. Think about those individuals who emit a sense of comfort and good energy, making you feel like you are wrapped up in a cozy blanket. They can be described as 따뜻한 사람. Then we have 친근한, the term for friendly. The neighbors who never fails to greet you, the barista who always remembers your regular order, they all represent 친근하다. In contrast, 차가운 is used to indicate a cold vibe. This is the term for individuals who appear distant or icy in their behaviors, earning them the label 차가운 사람. Next, there's 친절한, translating to kind. For those who consistently go to extra mile to assist others, radiating a sense of kindness and consideration. The term is 친절하다. And finally, we have 무뚝뚝한, a bit of tongue twister, right? It describes someone who is standoffish or brusque. So if someone appears distant or concise in their interactions, the term to describe them will be 무뚝뚝하다. As we delve into the subject of trust, let's start with 신뢰할 수 있는. 신뢰할 수 있는, or someone trustworthy. Picture your friends who always keeps their promises and support you during tough times. They are what we call a 신뢰할 수 있는 친구. In contrast, we have 신뢰할 수 없는. 신뢰할 수 없는, meaning untrustworthy. This term is apt for those who constantly let you down, causing you to question their reliability. And next up is 믿을 수 있는. 믿을 수 있는. Directly translates as someone reliable. If you're thinking of the friends who never fail to be there for you when you need them the most, they are indeed a 믿을 수 있는 친구. On the flip side, we have 믿을 수 없는, 믿을 수 없는, or unreliable. This term perfectly describes those who you can't rely on when it matters the most. Our third term is 충실한, 충실한, which means loyal. Imagine the unwavering loyalty of a golden retriever friends who stick by you through thick and thin are definitely 충실한. And then we have its opposite, 불충실한, 불충실한, translating to disloyal. This term is for those who are unfaithful and don't stick around when things get tough. Our final category introduces 관대한, 관대한, those who are all accepting and embrace the world within open arms. They are our understanding and accepting friends. 관대한 친구. On the other hand, we have 편협한, 편협한, which describes those who are intolerant and refuse to understand or accept differences. 편협한 사람. Then there's 개방적인, 개방적인, the open books or the open-minded. These are the people who are always open to new ideas and welcome different perspectives. 개방적이다. Contrarily, we have 속 좁은, 속 좁은, indicating those who are narrow-minded and resistant to new idea or new perspectives. 속 좁은 사람, 속 좁은 사람. Next, 편견이 없는, 편견이 없는 is used to describe fair-minded, unbiased people who keep their judgment in check and see everyone equally. 편견이 없는 사람. In contrast, 편견을 가진 or 편견이 있는 refers to those who hold biases and are unable to see everyone equally. 편견을 가진 사람, 편견이 있는 사람. Finally, we have 낙관적인, 낙관적인 for our eternally optimistic friends who see the glass as half full and always find the silver lining. However, for those who see the glass as half empty and expect the worst, we call them 비관적인, 비관적인, indicating a pessimistic outlook. And with that, we've completed our deep dive into personality and character descriptors in Korean. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I'm super proud of your progress. That's our wrap for today's personality tour. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And don't forget to like this button if it helped and subscribe to Alpha Korean class so you won't miss our future adventures. And I will see you soon for another lesson now. Bye, challengers! 안녕!